All right, guys and girls, welcome to another episode of. Oh my goodness. Astro Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? All right, guys. The owner of the vehicle, her name is Brenda. She's on her way over here so we can show her the truck and what her options are. Woo! So let's see what she says. We're gonna put her on camera as well. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. All right, guys, here we go. This is Brenda. Brenda, say hi to people. She's the owner of the truck. And guys, just like I said, she's not the one who was driving the truck, so she's not the one who messed this truck up. So we'll get that out of the way. All right, so we're going to show Brenda what's going on. All right, there is a lot of things wrong with the truck, but all the other stuff is fixable. It's no problem at all. But this over here, is how he was driving this truck, I have no idea whatsoever. All right, down here.
Oh my God.
You see that, guy? I didn't even have to tell her anything yet. That's the lower control arm. You see how it's broken up there? That is supposed to be welded up to this. It is completely broken. Here's our options. Option number one is get a whole new frame for the truck from the junkyard, which is going to cost you about $600. But then you have to take the whole body of the truck off, the engine, and transmission. Forget about that. Option number two is trying to weld that back up there and weld in a nut and a bolt, but that's something I cannot do because right now that is dangerous and it's not guaranteed that it would hold. And the final option is what? No. There's another one. There's another one. The option number three is trying to find a truck like this that has a blown engine, because this engine runs great. I'm not sure about the transmission. He was driving it, so I'm pretty sure it shifts and all. So in that way, if we find another truck with a blown engine, we can take this engine and transmission out and set it into the other one. And the last option is just get rid of the truck. Other than that, even with, because I know there's no brakes on it, the tires, a lot of things wrong with it.
I know.
Those are
I
fixable.
just don't understand. They were brand new tires
These was brand new tires?
a year ago. Can you tell me how somebody can wear that much tire and threads off within a year?
This one I can understand because what's going on, but these rest of them, I have no idea whatsoever.
It's almost like they were riding the brakes all the time.
I didn't even get a chance to look at the brake. I was afraid to even look at the brake. And I have no
Or
idea.
squealing tires coming out of the drive. I mean, that's the only way that you can use that much is if you got your foot on the brake and you're mashing the gas and it's spinning that tire in the back like this.
Racing people, racing down the street. And how they put in headlights and these headlights came out, I have no idea. I've never seen this before. I mean, he couldn't have been driving at night like this.
Yeah,
He was?
He
Oh,
was.
get the heck out of here.
Until the cops got onto him so much about it that he had to park the truck at night and he couldn't go nowhere. I just don't understand how somebody could put the lights in, because I seen him put the lights in and then not put the screws in.
Oh, he just stuck them in there like that and then it just fell right back out?
Mm. He said they fell out and busted because he forgot to put the screws in.
It's, you know, that's messed up because it's actually could be a nice truck, and actually we couldn't get it back if it wasn't for that lower control arm over there.
But I'm almost scared the transmission's gone out of it.
You are?
I am almost scared.
I mean, I figured he was driving it, so he's got his.
Now, you know what he was doing, right? He was turning the truck off and on whenever it needed to change. And then it would change the transmission and go.
That's what he was doing? Okay, so we can forget about that. So that option is finding a truck that just got a blown engine and taking this engine out and putting there.
Because I already priced the transmission. Transmission is going to cost me $1,200 to replace the transmission. And that's a used transmission.
That $1,200 for a used one?
Uh-huh.
Who gave you this
I
place?
found some place on Craigslist or Marketplace.
Don't forget that. That's way no. But we ain't worried.
We ain't worried
bypass
about that.
Yeah,
The point is finding another truck.
yeah. Either find another truck or
I think they've
Just-
got another one on Marketplace right now for $600.
just like this.
Same model.
Did they say what was wrong with it?
I don't know. I gotta look again and see if it's been sold.
Look again. I'll look also to see what I see up there. And that if you can get one for 600 and we can just take the engine out and put in the other one, that'd be great.
Yeah. Yeah. If
Definitely don't put no money into this.
okay.
So let's see how that goes, and if that don't pan out, then find another pickup truck that runs pretty good or something.
I spent $2,000 on
Yeah.
this truck last year at this time. Drove it all the way from Princeton. Ran perfect. Didn't even use $10 worth of gas to drive all the way from Princeton to here. I put $10 worth of gas because it was on empty, and it only used a quarter of that gas to get here to Rocky Mount, and that's an hour and a half drive away.
See what happens when you let somebody use your stuff?
Uh
See what happens when you let somebody use your
huh.
stuff? And it ain't theirs. They tear that. From what I heard, he was using his truck for a lot of scrapping, a lot of washing machines, dry and all that. So he was just messed this truck up. It runs great. The engine sounds great, except for the no exhaust system on it.
Oh, it's a horse of the engine.
Yeah, that's
I mean, it's a 5.9, right?
Also, right?
Huh?
It's a 5.9.
5.2.
5.2.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, okay.
What do you say, Sylvie?
Also, the exhaust system.
Yeah, the
is
exhaust
no
system.
good.
Yeah, he
gone.
took the
Yeah.
Cadillac converter off.
Oh,
too.
he took off that. He took it off to sell it. That's why. That's why the whole exhaust system is gone from the cat pack.
Yeah.
Wow.
After he did that, then after he did the lights, I said that was it. That's enough. I'm taking the truck.
So okay, see what you can find. We're gonna see what we can find today, and within a day or two, we'll see what we come up with.
Okay. So what were we looking at putting the motor in it?
We'll look it up and see. Because at that point, we're gonna have to, unless we find a truck that don't even have the motor in it, so we would have to pull one, and then put this one over here.
Right. So we
But,
really
it's
need
still-
a truck
it's-
with no motor in it.
Yeah, that's gonna be hard to find.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be a lot cheaper to do that than even attempt to fix this at
Right.
all.
Yeah.
So we'll do that.
So guys,
Yeah, that's it.
don't loan your vehicle out to no one.
Right? There it is, right there. Because people just don't care. So we'll be back, guys. Say bye to Brenda. All right, guys. Before we go, some of you guys wanted to see the inside of the truck, how it looks. You know, other than just the dirty, it's not ripped up. Well, yeah, it is ripped up. Got the back seat. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Look at the little door. Look at that little door, Sylvie.
That's cute.
Got the little back seat in it.
What happened to that seat?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, sliding in and out to get that jump. Gotta get that scrap metal. So there it is, guys. There's inside. How many miles in this thing? Did we even see how many miles on this thing? Do I even got the key to this thing? This is gonna be Civi's truck.
Yeah.
So we can go scrapping.
Yep.
All right, let's see how many. I don't even see how many miles on this thing. Hold on, wait a minute.
They're gonna be like, "Yep, Timmy's holding the camera."
Woo! 365,000 miles. Man, this truck was.
So this truck looks good for the mileage.
Yeah! Heck yeah! Oh my goodness! Alright, guys, we'll be right back. We're going.
Oh, he didn't say nothing.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, so this is the end of part 2. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're gonna see about getting another truck that needs an engine, or I don't know how it's gonna turn out.
Hey,
Guess you
let
guys are
them-
gonna have to stay tuned to see what is going to happen.
Hey, let them
next.
look on Marketplace too. For Rocky Mount, North Carolina, or anywhere close to it.
Right, yeah. Put them to work.
Yeah, heck yeah. Y'all watching our videos.
Do something, you bums. No. All right, so if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Stop calling me. Just email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.